How to log out of your account on Instacart application or using the website. First, if you're using the website, you want to simply go to your Chrome browser and you want to search for Instacart on your search bar. Tap on the first website that you see, and here if you're logged in onto your account, you want to simply tap on these three bars over here. However, if you're not logged in, you want to simply tap on login option to follow the prompt from there to log in into your account. However, you want to simply tap on these three bars over here, and if you're logged in into your account, you'll be able to see a log out or sign out option at the very bottom of your screen. You want to simply tap on that logout option to log out of your account. However, if you're using the application, you want to simply come back from the website, and let's say this is the Instacart application we have. Simply tap and hold on to the app and click on app info. After that, you want to click on storage and cache and click on clear storage to delete all the users data. By doing so, you'll be deleting all the users data, hence logging you out of your account as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment down below.